I'm here today to talk to you about the importance of community defibrillators and how they can help you to save a life. If you are ever with a member of the public who has collapsed, you should always call 999 for emergency help. If an individual is unresponsive and not breathing, you will be guided to start chest compressions, as these symptoms could mean that the person is in cardiac arrest. If there are more helpers available, someone should go and get an AED if possible. These are located right across Swindon in many public areas. From the minute you get to the AED, there will be clear instructions about how to use it. Learn the basics and you will be able to help restart a heart.
First of all, have a look in the airway. We're looking for anything that could occlude their airway. So now we need to start CPR. Compressing about a third of the depth of the patient's chest and going at a rate of 100 to 120 beats per minute.
I'm now going to turn on the defibrillator and follow the instructions.
Peel white pads from grey plastic case. Attach pads to bare skin exactly as shown.
Shocking, stay clear.
Shock delivered. Be sure emergency medical services have been called.
They're on the way.
It is safe to touch the patient.
Carry on.
Start CPR. For help with CPR, press the flashing blue button.
Continue with these steps that we've shown you until medical assistance arrives. They will then take over the care of the patient, but you're giving them the absolute best chance of survival by delivering these steps safely.